झाड़ू लगते थे मेरे बाल एंड सो टुडे आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू डू माय हेयर केयर एंड टेक यू गाइस along. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sanjeevni. I hope my YouTube family is doing very good. So yeah, I know I was not being consistent posting shorts from the last week, but I shifted home. Can you just see the background? And I was so emotional about it, so overwhelmed, and you'll get to know why I did so. But yeah, this is life, this is adulting. So without wasting time, let's dive directly into the video. So घर शिफ्ट करने के चक्कर में 2 हफ्ते से मैंने सिर्फ सेल्फ केयर के नाम पे फेस वॉश किया है. I have not washed my hair from last 5 days. Wait, I'll show you. Look at my scalp. It's so greasy. I have an oily scalp और ये इतना greasy हो गया है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने ऑयल लगाया हुआ है. I have not put oil on and look at my ends. So frizzy. So much frizzy. I know अभी ये कैमरे पे इतने frizzy नहीं लग रहे होंगे and that is thanks to my hair care products जो मैंने eventually 1 साल में change किए हैं. वरना as a wavy hair girl झाड़ू लगते थे मेरे बाल. And so today I have decided to do my hair care and take you guys along. I have used mid-range products, बहुत ज़्यादा cheap भी नहीं है but बहुत expensive भी नहीं है. So I think let's start the video. लग रहा है ना एकदम तेल लगा के आई हूँ. Anyways, the first thing we'll do is gently in smaller sections we'll detangle our hair और याद रखना कि नीचे से शुरू करो ताकि बाल कम से कम टूटे. We don't want hair fall. मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रिजी आई नो कैमरे पे नहीं लग रहे हैं एंड टचवुड पहले से बहुत फ्रिज कम हुई है बट अभी भी फ्रिजी है क्योंकि मैंने बहुत टाइम से सेट किया है. So see, now सबसे पहले हम सेकेंड स्टेप डिटैंगलिंग करने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल अप्लाई अ स्कैल्प एक्सफोलिएटर. और एक्सफोलिएशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. जो भी बिल्डअप मेरे बालों में होगा, जो भी ऑयलीनेस होगी, which will go by exfoliation. And with for exfoliation I'll be using this Ordinary का glycolic acid. This is a multi-purpose product. कोई भी product again sponsored नहीं है. This is a multi-purpose product for your strawberry legs, for your face, scalp. तो अभी हम scalp की बात कर रहे हैं. We will not go off topic. So yeah, we'll just spray evenly and just keep massaging it so that जो भी हमारा build-up हो, कुछ भी हो, वो बहुत अच्छे से clean up हो जाए. And we'll keep it on for like 20 minutes. सारे में हम अच्छे से हमने स्प्रे कर लिया एंड जस्ट मसाज इट. अगर आपके पास कोई इलेक्ट्रिक मसाजर है जस्ट गो विद इट. मेरे पास है बट आई लाइक गोइंग इट इन विद माय हैंड्स. ओके, सो with the glycolic acid from Ordinary I use once a week or once in 10 days जब मुझे लगता है my scalp has a lot of build-up or dirt, so it works magic then. And nextly, as it's a deep cleaning and deep moisturizing hair care routine, I'll be using a hair mask today, for which I'll be going with L'Oreal का Absolute Repair hair mask. This is very good hair mask. मेरे बाल पहले I told you I have wavy hairs and my hairs were very frizzy, and when I used to comb them my hair fall was insane. I used to get this much hairs in the hair fall. So this has literally helped me and I'm not going back now. I'll show you the texture of the mask. This is so buttery and it smells really good. But one thing Joe, you have to remember before using a hair mask, your hairs should be damp. If you're using it after your head wash, doesn't matter you're using it before your head wash, your hairs should be damp, not wet. So you can just damp your hairs normal पानी से. It's okay, normal पानी से भी तुम अपने बाल damp कर सकते हो. But I'll be using rosemary water and this is from Raw Alchemy. It's optional. It's optional. So तुम normal पानी use कर सकते हो. Let's just do it now. अच्छे से I'll just damp it with a spray bottle. Let's go in with the hair mask now. I love to smell it. This is enough. Just do like this and apply, especially on your ends. I know it's messy but it's worth it. It's literally worth it. And make sure you can use a comb to spread it evenly, but I'm using my hands because I trust my hands more than the comb. And just spread it evenly, very evenly, each strand of your hair. If you have more time, तुम्हारे पास ज़्यादा टाइम है तो तुम एक strand लेके कर सकते हो, but मेरे पास patience तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, टाइम होना हो. I'm just doing it this way. And always apply your mask from mid-lengths to ends. और ends पे I love applying थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. Where's my hair mask? Okay. So अभी हम दूसरे पोर्शन पे भी लगा लेते हैं. It's so messy. पता है जब मैंने घर शिफ्ट करा I was very emotional because I'm very homesick. But I understood one thing कि this is adulting. I really shifted home to build my life and to show my parents how much potential their daughter has. Anyways, इसके बारे में कभी दोबारा बात करेंगे. Our mask is done. This was my hair fall. Hair mask लगाने के बाद and that is why हमने अपने बाल पहले detangle किए थे for this minimum hair fall. And I'll give you one tip. I have this argan oil again from Raw Alchemy. If you're someone like me जिसके बहुत ज़्यादा frizzy ends रहते हैं, just do one thing. Just take your argan oil, just 1 to 2 drops. That's it. ज़्यादा नहीं लेना. And कांच की bottle है, ध्यान से पकड़ना after applying your mask. Just take it and just apply it on your ends. That's how you do it. And I'll do the same for this side as well. Just use 2 to 3 drops of argan oil and massage it and just apply it here. That's how we do it. I know I look so funny, but the results will be worth it, trust me. Okay, now this is one of the best investments in hair care. This is a spa cap which gives you salon-like results and really nourishes your hair. So I have done this off camera, but I'll show you how you do it. I don't have a rub band right now. Just tie your hairs in a bun and just wear it like this. And it has some heat settings. You can adjust it like medium, hot, and it has a switch. Just plug it in and adjust the heat settings. Wear it on for 10 to 12 minutes, not more than that, maximum 15, and you will have that hair spa salon-like results at home, and it feels great. Okay, so we have to keep this hair mask on for about 20 to 30 minutes, anywhere between, according to you. Meanwhile, just listen to songs, eat something, do whatever you want to do. I really want to talk to you guys about something I have been thinking lately, and I really want to feel that I'm not alone in this. So last 1.5 weeks, I was so much overwhelmed that I cried for no reason. My close ones came and said me that, what happened? You're being so rude. But I did not know the reason. Okay, the first reason, I got my periods after 2 months and with the heavy cramps, and that's because of PCOD. We are fixing that, but why I shifted my home despite I do work from home. So I realized lately I was dependent on my parents for everything, pretty much everything, and that dependency turned me unbothered for things. I realized I was being less responsible. I was not figuring out my finances, my health. My health was just going worse and worse because I was sitting in a couch and doing work and eating and doing nothing. And so I decided to take the step. Of course, my parents are with me in this. So I decided to shift homes and build my life from scratch and show that what their daughter can do. And I know I can do wonders, and I'll show them, I'll make them proud. I relate with every son and daughter who really wants to make their parents proud, but are stuck in a vicious cycle, doom scrolling, eating unhealthy and all that stuff. I was also a part of it, but the one thing I've changed in my routine is being consistent, because I was a girl who is either 100, अगर डाइट करेगी तो पूरी सुबह से शाम डाइट, अगर नहीं करेगी तो just eating unhealthy all the time, which is bullshit. Consistency requires efforts, and that efforts, maybe one day it's 1%, maybe one day it's 10%, maybe one day it's 100%, but you have to show up every day. And if I talk about myself, I was a girl who wanted to do it all at once: build YouTube, build skill set, get into product-based company, and build a good skin, good health, get slim and get fitter into clothes. And what I did was, I just shutting my mind, I just doom scroll every day. And now I have changed this. That's the reason I shifted into a different apartment, and I'm building my life from scratch. And this chapter is called Showing My Parents the Real Potential of Their Daughter. Okay, बहुत बातें कर ली. Now it's time to wash off these hairs. And for that, I'll be using, again, L'Oreal ka Absolute Repair shampoo. This is really, really, really good if you have dry hairs, especially ends like me. So I have an oily scalp, तो मैंने exfoliation के लिए I use glycolic acid, and अब उसको थोड़ा सा balance out करने के लिए कि बाल dry ना हो जाए, I'm using this shampoo. जब मैंने इसको first time लिया था, I was like 700 for just a 250 ml of shampoo. But trust me, it's worth every penny. So I can't take you to the bathroom because it's not organized. तो मैं फटाफट से बाल धोकर आती हूँ. So I'm back, and जब मैं ये everything shower routine करती हूँ, I feel so tired. I have also shaved my body and I feel so fresh right now. Let's just unwrap my hair. I know microfiber towel use करना चाहिए, but अभी मेरी unpacking नहीं हुई है, so मुझे नहीं मिला. I used my body towel. Let's just remove this and I'll come back. Ta-da! My hair feels so fresh, and I don't use any heat styling, any dryer, straightener unless it's a very special occasion. I'll let them air dry. अभी ये damp है. Damp means water is not dripping out of them, so I'll be using a leave-in conditioner, which is from Dove, and I have shown it in various videos. This is the best. I have emptied 4 bottles of it. This is the best leave-in serum. You have to do just take 1, 2, and 3. These like 3 drops. Just warm it up and just especially seal your ends because we don't want our ends to be frizzy, right? And बचा हुआ I'll just not use on the scalp, but थोड़ा सा ऊपर भी. Yeah. So let's go to the last step, which is applying this liquid gold to my ends just to make sure कि ये बिल्कुल भी frizzy ना हो. Even if I don't wash my hair for the next 3 days, I will just take 1 and 2. That's it. And just warm it up, place between my fingers, and just apply it evenly. That's it. That's it. And now I'll let them air dry. और मैं एक छोटा सा clip post कर दूंगी how my hairs looked after air drying. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys related and you liked my hair care routine. कोई भी suggestions, comments, so please drop in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
सुबह हसी मेरी शाम हसीना, ये बेमतलबी जिंदगी